Hey y'all, how's it going? Samson Chilton here. Got new vacuum cleaners lately. Okay, just going to show you more. Here's one. This one might be freaked out, but I don't know. But for some reason, they just want me to take it. So you can see there, 12 amps, pistol, power force. Here's the back of it. I don't have no attachments. Yeah, I just bought this one at Walmart. They were selling it from their job, so I just bought it for 40 bucks. Pretty nice condition. Yeah, it's brand new. I don't know if you've seen it at Walmart yet, but I don't know. Here's a very, like 2,000 kinds. I don't really know, but it has a sticker on it, everything. It used to have the attachments, but I lost them. I don't know where they're at right now. Probably in the basement or something. Just want to let you guys know I'm getting 3 more vacuum cleaners. Then 2 more. The 2 more is some kind of banded trailer or something. Somebody's going to give me from some kind of landlord or something. 3 more vacuum cleaners. He's my uncle, he's giving them to me. So I have 5, that's in the sunroom because it's disgusting down there. I don't want you to see because I don't know. Because I got more downstairs. So yeah. Oh, what the heck? I'll just show you. You better watch out because there's a mess in there. Just wanted to show you guys. I used that more, but all of a sudden they all broke, so I just took them to the landfill. So here's one. Paid $5 for it at the antique mall. Here's one from my aunt, I think. But this one here. Then the Swiffle, there's a little baby around that likes to fix stuff like me. So yeah. See, there's attachment there, and who knows. See, there's the basement, but I don't want to go down in there. It's kind of disgusting. Because I've got a bunch of shit down there. Okay, oh yeah, sorry about the unicorns. My sister brought them in there, brought them in here, here's my brother's bed, the 3-year-old, and what's his name, Ian Jones, I don't know, but here's my bed. Yeah, of course, my sister keeps on laying unicorns on my bed. No, yeah, there's books. My brother's also. Trucks. Piles of junk up there. Gosh darn it, my sister keeps on bringing unicorns. And duckies, crap. Well, there's a lamp. TV player, who knows what's in here. Just a box of junk. I know why I don't even have those for. Because I done told them I don't want them already, but they just give it to me anyways. So, I'm reckon that's it for today. Yeah, here's my brother Aiden. He just walked in. Oh yeah, just want you to know he's autistic. Non-verbal, of course. He can't really talk. So yeah. Seriously, I'm not autistic or nothing like that. So, yeah. See you guys later. Bye.